Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli with pasta, only way. Start by rolling pasta sheets thin and cutting rounds, then shape around tubes and bake until golden and crisp. Meanwhile, drain ricotta until thick, fold in sugar, vanilla, and lemon zest, then chill. Fill shells just before serving to keep them crisp, and dust with powdered sugar or chopped pistachios for classic presentation and crunchy contrast. I will show the shell technique step by step so your pasta transforms into a crisp, elegant vessel. Cut rounds from fresh or dried pasta, brush lightly with egg wash, then wrap snugly around cannoli tubes. Bake on parchment or gently pan-sear in a non-stick skillet for even color and crunch. Cool completely on racks to set shape before removing tubes, which prevents cracking and keeps shells intact for filling later. I will show how to make a silky filling that complements the pasta shell texture perfectly. Drain ricotta thoroughly, then gently fold in sugar, vanilla, and lemon zest until smooth and light. Transfer to a piping bag and chill briefly so it holds shape, then fill shells from both ends or the center for even distribution. Finish with chopped pistachios or chocolate chips for texture, and serve immediately for best contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.